We are looking at the next support would be about 3,500 on gold. However, if you can break above it, then your next resistance will be 4,400. Okay, so very simple. Needs to break this wedge. Once it breaks 4,400.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are going to have a look at the price of gold, silver and platinum. We are going to have a look at where they've traded over the previous week and where they could be potentially be heading over the coming few days and over the week. So we're going to start with gold. So what we're looking at is, let's go to the monthly. So on the monthly, as you can see, gold is actually in the green. Okay, so it is actually up so far on the month. Okay, but as you can see, we have over a longer term, we have come back in. We've come to this supporting line, and we seem to find a little bit of support around this area there, which is just above the 4,000. So let's go into the daily. So on the daily, let's just zoom out. Okay, so as you can see, we are trading just underneath this falling trend line. Okay, and just above this other falling trend line, which is basically formed the wedge. As you can see, we've touched the bottom along the top, come to the bottom, didn't quite touch the top, but close enough, and we've worked our way back down, and now it looks like we're bouncing. Could we go back to this area here, which is about the 4,130, or could we go lower, which will be below the 4,000, until there's a break out of this wedge. We're not going to define the direction until that happens. So will it break up, will it break down? We'll just have to wait and see what happens. However, over a longer term view, if this pattern, this wedge does break and it breaks down, we are looking at the next support would be about 3,500 on gold. However, if you can break above it, then your next resistance will be 4,400. Okay, so very simple. Needs to break this wedge. Once it breaks 4,400, breaks down 3,500. Okay, so now let's look at silver. Silver, exactly the same. So over the month, as you can see, we are slightly green. Okay, again, just like gold, it's traded high, it's come back in, and we've got this trending line, which it looks like it's found some support. So let's go into the daily. So on the daily, it's exactly the same. So we've got this parallel channel that we've drawn in. Okay, so we've been to the top, bottom, we've got to the halfway point, and we've been rejected, come back in, didn't quite touch the bottom, and it looks like it's just trading around the 56 and then to the 59. So I've put another line, which is this line right here. What I'm going to keep an eye on is, can it get back to here, which would be the 62. If you can break above it, then you've got a major trend line, which is going down around the 66. Before you come into another major resistance. Over the long-term view, I suspect that silver will need to come down a little bit more to around the 52 before it gets any real major support, and then a sustained rally back up. So for now, we'll just have to keep an eye out and see what happens. Will it trade a bit lower towards that 52, or will it try and break this channels here? So the first trend line is around go 63 and then 68. Okay, right, so now let's have a look at platinum. So again, on the platinum, you can see exactly the same thing. Is up in the month, so it looks like gold, silver, platinum all up in the month so far. So let's go into the daily. So on the daily, as you can see, we did have a long-term parallel channel which we've broken below, and we are trading much lower. However, we seem to have a falling wedge as well. So this top line, this baseline, as you can see, touch the bottom, touch the top, bottom, top, and we've literally just kissed the bottom, and now it looks like we could be making our way back up. If you can break above this resistance line, which is the 1725, can break above it and consolidate above it, then we could head up to sort of the 1900 before we get any real major resistance. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the 1 hour on this one. So as you can see on the 1 hour, today platinum is actually up. It's up 2.5%. A nice little rally there. Okay, and let's go back to the daily again. Right, so on platinum, as we know, if it can make its way back up, it'll be close to that 1920. If it gets rejected on the 1725, then we could be looking at price getting back towards the 1480. Okay, that will conclude the charts of gold, silver, platinum for today. If you like the video, if you can help the channel to grow by liking, subscribing, sharing, and leaving your comments and turning on your notification. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.